Hey everybody, my name is Steve and this is the LUCI string of solar lights, and these are really cool. I really like these lights, but one of the questions that I do see pop up in the Q&A section on Amazon are about its waterproofness. Now I want to show you, kind of give you a close-up right here of the little lamps, and as you can see, they're very enclosed. I'm not going to say that they are waterproof, but I'm going to say they're extremely water resistant. So another question is, will the USB area where you plug it in and charge it, how will that handle rain? I'm going to say pretty good. This thing is on there very snug, and I can't pull it off with my fingers, but what I have to do is I have to get a knife under there to pop it off. So the enclosure is on there very good. So I'm going to say it's extremely water resistant. I won't go so far as to say it's watertight, but I will say that it is going to be very water resistant. So if you're looking at this product to buy, I hope this has been helpful.